Good morning, children. Myself Anil sir, and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhani Vidya. So this is class 8, chapter number 4, Patol Babu. And in that lesson, we had seen up to para 10. Now we start with para 11. At one time, Patol Babu had a real passion for the stage. He had a job in the old railway factory, but he was always in demand for a mature theatrical put up by the club in the neighborhood. His name had appeared in handbills on countless occasions. Indeed, there was a time when people bought tickets especially to see him. And the selling had been smooth. So let us see the meaning. So at one time, Patol Babu had a real passion for the stage. It means he was interested in stage acting and he had a job there also. He was in great demand in the theatre culture. The selling has been smooth. It means the business was going satisfactorily. The work was going smoothly. When in 1943, a sudden cutback in his office due to the war cost him his 9-year-old job. It means that everything was going well, but in 1943, it was the duration of Second World War, and during that Second World War, there was a cutback in the office, cutback in the cost, and due to that, his 9-year-old job was also disturbed. Ever since then, Patol Babu had struggled to make a living. So since that time, Patol Babu was doing everything possible to make a living, to find to earn something. He had tried every means to earning a livelihood without ever succeeding in improving his lot. Acting had become a thing of the remote past, something which he recalled at times with a sigh. So, after that work, when his acting was disturbed, he tried every means to get a livelihood, to get some earning, and in course of that, finding he was so frustrated, he was so involved, he could not get satisfactory work, he could not get satisfactory income as such, and the so-called his interest in theatre or acting, it all vanished. So let us see further. Naresh Babu turned up 2 hours late at 12:30. Patol Babu had given up hope and was about to go for his bath when there was a knock on the front door. Come in, sir. Do sit down. No thanks. I expect Nisha Kanta Babu told you about me. So we see that Naresh Dutt was waiting for one person who was to come and see him. So in the meantime, that person is coming, and after that we see that, oh yes, I must say I was quite taken aback. You think I shall be that right for the part? Patol Babu asked with great diffidence. So Patol Babu is not confident of his work as such, the work which he was to play, he was to do. So he is saying that he is asking from the person whether I am fit for the work. Naresh Dutt cast an appraising look at Patol Babu and gave a nod. Oh yes, he said, there is no doubt about that. By the way, the shooting takes place tomorrow morning. So the person who had come to see Patol Babu, he was Naresh Dutt. So he is saying, he is looking at Patel Babu and saying, yes, yes, you are quite fit for that role. And the shooting takes place in the morning time, and tomorrow, which is Sunday, you come by that. Yes, and not in the studio. You know Faraday House near the crossing of Bentek Street and Mission Row. It is a 7-story office building. The shooting takes place outside the office in front of the entrance. We will expect you there at 8:30 sharp. You will be through by midday. So Naresh Dutt is saying and telling about the program of the shooting and saying that it is taking place in morning time only, and it is not taking place in a studio. It is taking place in a 7-story building there, and Naresh Dutt is also requesting him to come by 8:30 sharp, and again saying that by midday or by afternoon he will be free, or the shooting will be over and his work will be done. Naresh Dutt prepared to leave, but you haven't told me about the part, said Patel Babu anxiously. So when Naresh Dutt was all about to leave, Patel Babu is asking that you have not told me about the part. Part means the role, what kind of role I have to play. Oh yes, sorry, the part is that of a pedestrian, an absent-minded, short-tempered pedestrian. So he is saying, okay, your role is that of a pedestrian. Pedestrian means someone who comes and walks simply. An absent-minded, short-tempered pedestrian. And what kind of walking he has to do? He has to walk and express himself as absent-minded or half-minded, as short-tempered. Patel Babu suddenly thought of another critical question. I hope the part calls for some dialogue. So Patel Babu asking, yes, is there any dialogue in that role? Of course there is dialogue, and you will be given your lines as soon as you show up tomorrow. So Naresh Dutt is saying that yes, there is some dialogue also which you have to utter or speak, but that dialogue we will provide you tomorrow when you are coming. Naresh Dutt left, and 52-year-old Patel Babu did a little skip. He felt as if he had been born again. So when Naresh Dutt went away, Patel Babu, who was a person of 52-year-old, he got analyzed. He felt some energy. He felt as if he has been born again. Born again means he is full of energy, and he is getting mentally prepared for that work. The next day, Patel Babu arrived at Faraday House on time. There was a big crowd outside the building. Patel Babu suddenly felt a little nervous. With a slight tremor in his heart, he advanced towards the entrance. So the next day, Patel Babu arrived on time. What was the time there? 8:30 sharp. Sharp means right at 8:30. There was a big crowd outside the building because shooting was taking place. And seeing all this, Patel Babu felt nervous, a little nervous, and with a slight tremor in his heart, he is moving towards the entrance of the gate. So in this video, we are dealing with here only. So cover it up. Till then, thank you.